Pharisees, who say that people will not rise from death, came to Jesus and said, "Teacher, Moses wrote this law for us. If a man dies and leaves a wife but no children, that man's brother must marry the widow so that they can have children who will be considered the dead man's children. Once there were 7 brothers. The eldest got married and died without having children. Then the second one married the woman, and then the third. The same thing happened to all 7. They died without having children. Last of all, the woman died. Now on the day when the dead rise to life, whose wife will she be? All 7 of them had married her." Jesus answered them, "The men and women of this age marry, but the men and women who are worthy to rise from death and live in the age to come will not then marry. They will be like angels and cannot die. They are the children of God, because they have risen from death." And Moses clearly proves that the dead are raised to life. In the passage about the burning bush, he speaks of the Lord as the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. He is the God of the living, not of the dead, for to him all are alive. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.